And today I've also got a giveaway. Yes, I'm going to be giving away a product, so stay to the end of this video to know what I'm going to be giving out. Hi guys, so for today I've got a review of Alipearl hair. Yes, it's an initial review. I'm going to be unboxing Alipearl hair and I'm going to show you or sharing with you my initial thoughts on that. So for those of you new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can see more of these videos. And you know, those not subscribed, just checking me out, do subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can see more videos from me. Stay tuned. I bought this hair from Aliexpress when they were doing the 26th sale. It came in this box from DHL. I'll just open it up. So in the box I got this. I got it like so, and there's something else in it. Ooh, that's nice. I got a wig cap. The color is not the color I would go for. It's a very pale color. Alipearl hair. I got a frontal which is 18-inch, and my bundles 20, 22 and 24-inch, and so I got them like so from the straight out of the box. And I got this for, let me just check how much I got it for. Like I said, it was on a sale, so I got it at like reduced to some extent, not proper sale I don't think. So this is the Alipearl Brazilian Body Wave, 3 bundles with a closure, and I got the 20, 22 and the 24. The closure is 18-inch, and I got this for 175.75, so that's in pounds. Yeah, that's what the frontal looks like. So I'm just going to open the frontal so you see what it looks like. So this is kind of the frontal, and the frontal, like I said, is 18-inch. Oh, it came in this nice mesh. So I'm just gonna open it like so. Wow, so this is 18-inch frontal. It does look proper nice. It has a bit of gold hair on it, like gold flakes. Boy, it looks quite nice. No hair coming off so far. So straight out the box, it looks quite, yeah, and it has a bit of baby hair in the front. It looks pre-plucked, but I'm just gonna it looks quite, yeah, it looks pre-plucked, but obviously I'm gonna do a bit of tweaking there and there when I make it into a wig. I'm gonna be doing a lace frontal series, so I'm gonna show you how I bleach the knot and things like that to make it really scalp like. So I'm gonna do videos when I do the wig of this as well. So I'm gonna do a lace frontal series. I'm gonna look out for those videos. So far so good. The frontal looks quite nice. There's no hair coming out. It goes smoothly, quite soft. There's no real smell. It does have a type, not really chemical, like a shampoo type of scent to it. So it's not that bad. No shedding, so far so good. So this is the frontal, 18-inch frontal. Has a bit of baby hairs in the front. Does look really nice actually. First impressions does look okay. This is the 24-inch. It has this tag here which says Alipearl hair. Looks okay. The tracks do look not okay. There's a slight hair on there, like some bits of hair in the track, but it does look firm. I'm just running my fingers through. There's no hair so far so good. Looks okay. It does have a bit of kind of flowers at the end. It doesn't look very smooth, but it's not a straight hair. So far so good. This is 24-inch. I'm just running my fingers through like so. Looks okay. There's no hair. Oh, there's one. I've just seen one hair come off from running my fingers through. Just one strand of hair. But yeah, but so far it feels soft. Again, there's no real smell. Smells kind of like a bit of shampoo. Doesn't smell horrible or anything. So far so good. Smells okay. It looks okay. Feels okay. Initial review, this looks fairly okay. It does have some kind of hair sticking out though, but all in all, looks okay. So this is 24. I'm gonna look at 22 inch. It has this tag here that says Alipearl. Oh, this looks quite neat. This look much more neater as compared to the other one, but there's still some strands in the tracks, just some strands there, but it looks quite solid. This is 22, so I'm gonna run my fingers down 22. There's no hair coming off. It does look really, it feels soft. Feels soft actually. Put my fingers through. There's some strands, like 2 strands out so far. Another 1 strand out. I hope my yeah, there's none now. None. Again, doesn't smell horrible. See my fingers through again, no strands coming out so far, so it feels okay. It feels soft. And this again, there's some strands in there that just shaking out of it, so it's not as smooth and as I would like it to be. So far so good. This looks okay. I don't know if it's very full though. It feels quite light, and for a full one it feels light, but it looks okay. This is 20 inch, so okay, looks about the same. There's a smell, a slight strong smell to this one though. Tracks look okay. There's still a bit of hair on it, some kind of, yeah, but it looks quite okay, the tracks. In terms of the hair, fairly the same with the others. I'm running my fingers through. There's no hair coming out of this one. So this is kind of how they look so far in terms of initial review. Like I said, I'm going to turn this into a wig, and I'm going to kind of do how I customize everything, and I'm going to show you how. But yeah, so this is the Alipearl hair 3 pack and a fronter, 18-inch fronter. So I've got a 3 hair and a fronter. Looks fairly okay. So I'm going to be turning this into a wig, and I'm going to show you how to turn it into a wig as well. So I'm going to have a lace series, like I said. Watch out for those videos. I'm going to review of how the hair holds. So far so good. It feels really nice. It looks nice. It feels nice. So that's kind of my review, my initial thoughts on this so far. But I'm looking forward to turning this into a wig and reviewing it. So I'm going to do a 3 months review. I'm going to do a 6 months review, and if there's more requests for it, a 1-year review. Why not? Yeah. So this is my review on Alipearl. So we'll get to the giveaway. Yes. So for my giveaway, I got this from Pearl's Hair. Yes, Pearl's Hair. I got this for Pearl's Hair, and it's their body wave, and it's inch and number 12-inch body wave from Pearl's Hair. I got this, I think I got this in like a pack. I got a 4 and a closure, but I did not use everything, so I used just the 3 and the closure. I didn't use the 4, so this is the 4th one. I never used this to you know, the tags are still there, everything's still intact. This is their body wave hair. So this is what I'm going to be, it's small, but it's something to say thank you to my subscribers. So I'm going to be giving away this. I'm going to post it to whoever wins this giveaway. This is Pearl's Hair, so it's not Alipearl, okay? Pearl's Hair, and it's their body wave. And thank you to my subscribers. So I'm going to pick out one. So most of my videos is going to be giveaways, so do subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on those. So I'm going to post it to whoever wins. What you need to do is kind of like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And if you're new, what a great time to subscribe. So subscribe to my channel, like, comment on this video, and be a subscriber to my channel. So I would then pick one lucky subscriber and send this to you. So I'll be announcing who wins the giveaway when I do my lace series. So in one of the videos where I do how to make this lace a wig, I'm gonna announcing the giveaway. So I think the key is subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, because it's gonna be lots of giveaways coming up as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.